All right, guys, in this section, I'm going to show you where to get the materials, so your mule tape. As you can see here, I've got a few different types. I've got a 3,000 foot roll and I've got a few 100-foot rolls. So when I got started doing mule tape halters, that was the hardest thing for me, was try to figure out where to get this material. And I was calling places and I was asking for mule tape. So one thing to keep in mind is there's a few different names for mule tape, especially used in the electrical field. What they call it is pull line, P-U-L-L, pull line or bull line instead of mule tape. So just remember that when you're calling around to your local electrical stores, that's what they're going to be calling it. So, and the reason why electrical stores have it, mule tape is actually used to pull electrical lines through the ground, so through pipes and different things. It's really strong. This 3,000 foot roll, this is a 3/4 inch, and it is really strong. This is like thousands of feet per square inch that this is capable of withstanding. So that's why mule tape is so awesome. It is so strong and durable. But so, like I said, one place to purchase mule tape is calling around to your local electrical stores. I also have a link in the descriptions of a few online stores that you can purchase from. Amazon, you can get it, and you can actually get colored mule tape. As you can see here, I guess it's not a color, but it's black. Black mule tape. I got this from Amazon. You can get black, white, a few different colors. So there will be a link to that in the description and on my PDF files, as well as Cajun tie downs. So CajunTieDowns.com is going to have a bunch of different types of mule tape sizes and colors, as well as maple leaf ropes. So they're all going to have mule tape in different size rolls: 3,000, 200, 500, 100, as well as different sizes. They're going to be 5/8 to 3/4. This one here is 3/4, which is what I like to use once you get better at it. We will start out with a 5/8. It's a little bit thinner. It just makes it easier to braid, and we're going to show you that here in a little bit. Another good place that I have seen mule tape is either on OfferUp or Craigslist, as well as if you go into local Facebook groups, buy and sell groups. I have also seen people selling tons of these rolls. So on Marketplace, different things, go onto Facebook and search. You might be able to get a better deal than buying it new. But I remember when I was getting started, I was trying to figure out where this was coming from. And the first time I found it was literally on the side of the road. There was construction workers. They were pulling this line through the ground. And I pulled over when I saw it, and I said, "Hey, can I have them?" They're like, "Yeah, take it all. We can't use it anymore, so it's all yours." So that's where I found all of my first mule tape. So it was all dirty. So it wasn't the cleanest. So you definitely want to get new mule tape, unless you can find it used and want to make it. It's still going to be durable, but it might be a little dirty. So those are a few places to find materials, find mule tape. Like I said, I would recommend starting with 5/8. You can get whatever color you want and lengths, and we're going to show you here how many feet you're going to need for each halter and lead line. So let's dive into that.